welcome back to my channel AI Shots. Today we are going to solve the Leetcode question to some. I think it's an easy question in step by step by using C++. Here, what are the things we have given is that we have given an array called nums and an integer target. We need to return the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target. So now let's move to the solving part. So the main problem is that it gives the array of numbers and a target sum. So we just need to find the two numbers that add up to the target and return their position in the array. So its obvious way is to check every possible pair using the two loops. But that's O(n) squared time complexity. If the array gets too large, it becomes way too slow. Instead of searching forward for every pair, we iterate through the array once and ask what number do I need to reach the target. Okay? So we use unordered map to save the numbers. We have already seen where the key is the number and the value is its index. So now the logic I will tell you. So first the loop throws the array one element at a time. So when the loop starts, it's first sort the things and then like 2, 7, 11 and 15. So after that it calculates the complement. Then it's using the map to find that. Okay. Now we move to here. We have given a class, a class, and in this class we have the function called toSum. And a nums is the array which gives us a list of numbers, and a target number we need two elements to add up to. And here the vector is means at a start means the function will return a list of two numbers. Now we start our solution. First we use unordered map. Why we use it? Because it creates an empty hash map named scene. So it will stores numbers as numbers and its index. So we can look them up instantly later. Now here our for loop start. Now this for loop goes through one number one by one, each number one by using the I as the current index position. Now we use int complement. So it gives a target number called nums I. So it calculates each exit missing number we need to reach the target. So if the target is 9 and the current number is 2, its complement is 9 minus 2 equals to 7. Then after that, we use if condition to check the complement the complement it checks the missing number called complement is already seen in the map. Understand? Now our if condition is started, which checks if the complement was found to return seen complement I. Understand? So we have after it finds its complement, so we get our answer. We return a pair of indices seen complement. So it helps the index of the previously seen number and a I number of the current number. Understand? And after that, we check then if the complement was not found. So we save the current number and its position into our map. Do you understand this until now? If you do not understand, kindly give your comments better. So how can I improve my videos if you have any error in this? Understand? Okay. At last, it returns an empty list if no pair is found. Understand? Because it is required by the C++, so the function always returns something. So I always love to use C++ whenever I think so. Because C++ helps me to easily understand the concepts. So at last, we submit our question by clicking on the submitting button. If you have any issue, kindly put your comments well so I can improve my videos. Thank you, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Instagram. Thank you.